All right, guys, market is open. Following Roku here. Roku's getting hit pretty good. Gonna start looking at Qualcomm here for a possible short. It's getting pretty heavy. I'll hold off for right now. Still holding below that pre-market support level. Qualcomm's starting to pop to the upside here. Yeah, there's a big short squeeze here on QCOM. So following QCOM closely here. So QCOM right up to So look at QCOM right up to the 200 moving average and right back down. All right, guys, I'm short on WYNN with 500 shares right now. So just entered short, going to hold these. Do believe we're trying to roll over to the downside. So WYN's holding pretty good here. Yeah, there goes the short squeeze. All right, going to have to take off WYNN. The move didn't break down, so it resulted right into a short squeeze. So I had to take that off for good loss there on the day. Not what you want to start off with, but you know, it is what it is. So far, QCOM and WYNN aren't really doing a whole lot just yet. Got to keep a close eye on them. Roku's moving lower. I'm not in on Roku, but Roku is moving down. QCOM's starting to move lower here. So I'm going to get in short here on QCOM. So currently in short right now on Qualcomm, QCOM, trying to get this move lower. So we went up right to the 200 moving average. We rejected. Right now you have WYNN starting to roll over too. You could watch that for a short. So still holding short here on Qualcomm. So Qualcomm squeezing back up. I mean, this is pretty much anticipated. We had a strong bounce on it originally. We're rolling over for the retest now, so I'm anticipating we're going to have some some green candle in here. WYNN rolling over here, looking like it's about to trying to break through the previous low of day. So still in short on Qualcomm here. Just added more short on Qualcomm. Yeah, really looking for Qualcomm to break down here. It does have a big, there is a strong support right around this 58 level like I was talking about on that gap fill. So it might not break down. So if it doesn't start breaking down here soon, I'll look to cover it up. But again, Qualcomm is right at a strong support of 58. So I'm hoping that we can break this 58 and then maybe get a panic sell off. But again, this is strong support area on Qualcomm at this 58. That's why if it breaks, we might get a strong panic sell right below. But got a lot of buyers trying to hold this 58 level. Yeah, still so far, Qualcomm still struggling. QCOM still struggling to break this 58 level. Come on, Qualcomm, go down. So again, it's still holding 58. The longer I sit here, the more I want to get out as it's struggling to keep pushing lower. So it's still holding below the 50 moving average right now, at least trying to, starting to get bought up. So I'm going to get out. So I took Qualcomm off there. It's holding that 58 level too strong for me. So I'm going to get out, and I probably just made a big mistake, but we'll see. I didn't want to risk it squeezing me, so I'm out of it. It's struggling to break the 58 level too much, so don't want to risk a short squeeze. Maybe it'll set up a little bit more here later. So 2 no good trades on the day, so we'll be down $800 right now. Just kind of on the back side of, just on the wrong side of all the moves right now. So again, there's the short squeeze right there on Qualcomm. That's why I wanted to get out, so that I didn't risk getting caught in that move right there. So now that Qualcomm has moved up, it's starting to wedge. So this earnings play is just boring. The WYNN earnings play just became pretty boring. The only really good one that so far I've seen was Roku, unless Square did something good and I missed that. Yeah, Square was okay. So the market's starting to go green pretty good here. So it kind of looks like WYNN wants to squeeze here. So keep an eye on WYNN. That might have a big short squeeze coming. Yep, there it goes. And I'm late to that party. Roku's gotten hit pretty good. There might be a nice reversal play on Roku. Look at that short squeeze on WYNN there. Look at CNDT taking off. That was a nice one. So Qualcomm's back down below the VWAP. I still don't trust that. I mean, it struggled to break that 58 level just too much the last time. So kind of just not feeling that for right now. So not a great start here for me. Pretty slow too to start with me on the day. Roku's still trying to move lower here. It's trying to hold this $48.60 level from breaking down. So Roku's trying to hold, 48.60, but it still looks a little heavy in my opinion. So you can see QCOM still holding that VWAP level too strong. Definitely keep Roku on watch for a reversal though. Ooh, SQ. Thank you for mentioning that. I wasn't watching it. Yeah, I'd watch SQ long here down at this bottom area. Yeah, down at this the 75.55 level, I like Square for a bounce trade. So we'll see if we get this to pan out. So we're at 75.77 on Square. I'd like to see it at 75.50. We're getting down to there. I think we're going to have a nice kind of reversal play out of here. All right, I'm long on Square. Just got long 1,000 shares at that 75.50 level. All right, finally getting a good trade in here under my belt. So still holding long, got 1,000 shares on Square here. Going to sell some. We're getting ready to. Going to see if this 75.50s levels can hold for a little bit bigger of a bounce. That's the after hours low level. So far, it's not respecting it too well. We're bounced a little bit, but it's getting sold right back down and under. That's probably going to break. So I'm all out of Square there. It snapped that. It broke briefly below 75, that level I had on my chart. A lot of sellers coming in there. So I took it off and it might end up squeezing here. And yeah, look, it's trying to still. So a couple bad trades. It's going to put us down probably just shy of 1,000. So 3 no bueno trades so far in the day. Not how you want to start. So we'll be down $900 on the day. So we'll end the recording there for those of you that are tuning in on YouTube. So thanks again for tuning in as always, and we'll see you on the next video.